Welcome. Another episode of the Indigo Lab. As always, we got King Karan on the director on the lens. Chef Radio here, ready to do some more cannabis infusions and some good ass cooking. I didn't know what the fuck I was gonna make today until I got to the store and looked at the catfish and I was like, po' boys. But how could I infuse that shit in my head? Alright, remoulade sauce. Come on. So, remoulade sauce is just like Big Mac sauce for Cajun food. You know what I mean? Throw that shit on something and it's fire. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the hash that we made last time. We decarbed some of that. We're gonna infuse that into our remoulade sauce and see how we're feeling here in a little bit. So let's get cracking. All right, so we're gonna fry our fish. We got our catfish here in a bowl. I put some eggs, some hot sauce in there, mix it up. Got a nice little wet dredge. We're gonna put it in our corn flour mix. Get it nice and dredged up and start it in the fryer. Our oil is sitting at about 350, 360-ish. So yeah, it's gonna be good, man. Talk to me and I talk back. I'm calling this sandwich the Jetlife, now that I'm sitting here thinking about it. Because it's a New Orleans-style sandwich, and Spit is my favorite artist. Yeah. So, this is the Jetlife. Alright, so about 6-7 minutes. We golden delicious. Huh? Rick Ross now. That's that new Rick Ross. They don't know about that shit yet.
No. You listen to that new spitter?
Yes. Love it. I love all the currency drops. With the Jetlife family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I like to top my shit with a little Cajun spice. I made it myself, of course. Add a little salt. Okay, so next step is the remoulade sauce. So we're gonna use a little bit of mayo. This that good mayo that Auntie Fee, R.I.P., used to say, "This shit don't run." We use about half a cup of that. This shit don't run. Some garlic, whole grain mustard. Use about 2 tablespoons of that as I get it on the side, like the dip shit. A couple tablespoons of hot sauce. Lemon juice. This is our decarbed hash. About 2.5 grams. I'll probably only use a gram of this because I might use the rest of it for something else. So. Put on a glove because this shit is kind of sticky a little bit. Get that in there. We'll add some of that Cajun spice on top so it can kind of grind in the sauce. And my Cajun spice has everything else that the remoulade sauce would need to make it a remoulade. So, fuck what you heard. We there. Set this to the side. Get it in our little trusty dusty squirt bottle. Our bougie chefs will appreciate us for using it. You ain't a bougie chef if you don't have some fucking squirt bottles around. You gotta just fucking go crazy. Pause. Oh shit. That shit is stupid. Slap bite. Boom. Hash infused remoulade sauce. Strong enough to put out a baby elephant. All right, next step, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna get our toppings together for the po' boy. Let's do our bread. Shout out the local bakery. Like the legit po' boy rolls are the ones like they have like a crunch. You know what I mean? Like when you bite into that po' boy, it'll have that crunch. So hopefully when we broil them, we'll get a little bit of that. We can emulate some of that crunch. But when you down there and you get that bread, that shit is unreal, man. Shout out all the good bakers out there. Director said, "It's not enough weed. We need more weed." I ain't mad at him.
I didn't say that.
He said, "Bro, you ain't smoking enough. What you doing? You smoking enough? What you doing, guy?" We just having fun. That's what we do in the Indigo Lab. All right. Hit it with a little lettuce. Hit it with lettuce. A little tomato. Nice little aroma. Of course, that big ass piece of fish.
This shit about to be fire.
Right. Hash infused remoulade sauce. Of course, it ain't coming out the fucking. This stupid ass bitch.
You probably got I was about to say, you just gonna chop that bitch off?
Yeah. I trust my butcher. It's nice work. Riding in the Chevy.
Comes already?
Okay. Back to it. We still going?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Talk to me, big. That's why you get the squeeze bottle. So Young voodoo chips.
voodoo. Not the voodoo. Voodoo.
Take pictures. Come on, man.